Madhumalati or Quisqualis indica is a fast-growing tropical vine known for its striking tricolor flowers that change from white to pink to deep red. It has a sweet smell and blooms profusely during summer and monsoon. It's a versatile plant, can climb along trellises and railings, or grows like a bush if properly pruned. And of course, it can grow easily in a pot. Let me show you how. Start with a nursery sapling or collect a sucker from the base of a mature plant. A sucker is a small shoot that grows from the roots of Madhumalati. This is the easiest way to get a new plant. We can plant it directly in a large pot. Choose a pot that's 16-inch wide and 18-inch deep. This plant has strong roots and needs room to grow. Make sure the pot has multiple drainage holes too. In this bucket, I've been growing Madhumalati for almost a year. As potting mix, I have used 40% garden soil, 30% vermicompost, 20% sand and 10% rice husk. For soil-borne pest and disease resistance, I have also added 25 grams of neem cake powder with the potting mix. Madhumalati loves direct sunlight and good airflow. Place the pot in a sunny location where it's exposed to at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight. If you are growing it in a balcony, move the pot towards maximum sunlight available. More sun means more blooms. Watering Madhumalati is something that should be done carefully because if waterlogged, it can die due to root rot. In summer, water every day but only when topsoil feels dry. In winter, reduce watering or apply only when needed. It's a vigorous climber, so give it a strong support like bamboo trellis, iron grill or balcony railings. Train the vines at early stage to grow where you want them. To support the vigorous growth rate, feed the plant every 15 to 20 days with compost or liquid mustard cake fertilizer. When buds are appearing, feed the plant with some potassium to boost flowering. Mix 1 gram sulfate of potash in 1 liter of water and drench the pot. This plant is mostly pest resistant, but sometimes you may see aphids or mealybugs. Spray neem oil with some mild soap once a month as a precaution. Madhumalati blooms actively from April to October and in winter it goes dormant. This is the time when the plant rests and prepares itself for next year. In February, it starts to break dormancy. This is the best time to prune and shape the plant according to our desire. Remove thin, dry and diseased branches for a healthy looking plant. We can prune the roots too before repotting it in a new pot. From April, it will start blooming again till winter. So this is how you grow Madhumalati in a pot. Easy to grow, fast to bloom and always a showstopper. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more plant care tips. Stay fit and happy gardening.